Hey everybody, welcome back to your girl's channel. In today's video we're going to be doing my hygiene routine. So I want to make sure I don't leave anything out. This might be a little lengthy video, I don't know yet, but we're just gonna roll with it. So without further ado, let's get into it. Starting off with my hygiene routine, I always take my showers at night because to me it's just nothing like getting in bed knowing that you are fully clean. It's nothing like ending the day off washing the day off, okay? So when I get in the shower to clean my body, this is what I do. I go in with a good old blessed washcloth. Ain't nothing gonna clean you the way a washcloth is gonna clean you. Now on the TikTok streets, they're always gonna hype up this particular bar soap, and look, I like this bar soap as well. Ain't nothing wrong with it. I think this is a great bar soap to use to clean down below, but we'll get to that part momentarily. This bar soap is never gonna steer you wrong. I absolutely love the Dial Gold Bar. It's antibacterial. It's literally gonna clean you, and it's strong. It smells so good, so fresh. There's no smell like it. I feel like the closest smell to this bar soap might be the Iris Spring. Iris Spring smells really good as well. But this bar soap is never gonna steer you wrong. You can watch all the TikTok reels, you can watch all the YouTube videos, and you'll hear the hygiene girlies going on and on and on about the perfect hygiene routine. But really, to sum it up, if you have this and this, you're really good to go. Okay? Just being real. And I'm not even finna gatekeep. If you have a good washcloth, and if you have a good antibacterial bar soap, you're pretty much good to go when it comes to hygiene. But if you want a little bit more in-depth cleanse, stay tuned. I'm going to help you out. Now, the Dial soap is going to clean your body, okay? It's going to clean the bacteria off. But if you want to replace that stripping of the skin with some moisture, go in with a Dove bar, okay? Dove is going to get you right when it comes to the moisture to your skin. It's going to clean you, but it's not going to strip you. I personally love the Dove pink bar. This smells so good, so powdery. I love this bar, y'all. Again, if you have the Dove sensitive bar soap, it's basically going to do the whole job. It's going to clean your body, it's going to moisturize you, and you can use it anywhere on your body. So this is like an all-in-one bar right here. But the pink Dove bar is, to me, top tier, superior when it comes to Dove. If you want to do like a bar soap first to clean your body, again, I suggest doing the antibacterial. And if you want to go in with a body wash second, I would suggest St. Ives. It's clean, it has clean ingredients, and it's going to clean you. I really like this body wash. It has a great lather to it. It cleans you, but it doesn't strip you, and it's just so gentle on the skin. I've been using the St. Ives lately, and I personally love it. Now let's go on down to the downstairs area, our private, our lady bits, all that good stuff. You're always going to go in with a baby washcloth and some type of unscented soap. So again, you can go in with the Dove sensitive bar. I like to use the Dr. Bronner's baby unscented soap. I absolutely love this. I use this for pretty much everything, y'all. If I need to clean my bathroom, if I need to do laundry, if I need to clean downstairs, I can use this in my hair if I want to. I mean, this is just a great versatile soap. It's so good. I'll just put a little bit on my little baby washcloth, wash down there, and it gets the job done. Okay. When it comes to exfoliating, lately, I have been really enjoying this Dove body scrub. This is so good. I've really been enjoying it. I use this every time I shave, and y'all, it's not really abrasive, but it really does exfoliate, and it leaves your skin so soft, y'all. Like, I really enjoy using this. And I also use the Tree Hut as well, but I wanted to kind of switch it up and try out the Dove body scrub, and this has not disappointed whatsoever. So before I go in and shave, I'll always exfoliate. You can use any exfoliator that you want, but if I had to give you a suggestion, Dove shaving cream. I love the EOS. It's so thick and it's really going to get the job done. I love anything EOS, honestly, and this is just so good, and it smells good. Like, EOS is that girl. Like, let's be real. EOS is that girl. When it comes to shaving down there, down below, your lady bits, whatever you want to call it, I like to use the Gillette Venus 2-in-1 cleanser and shave gel. And I like to use the matching razor head as well. It doesn't really leave you irritated or anything of that sort. After I get out the shower, now we need to use deodorant. My mama always taught me, you ain't did nothing in the shower if you don't use deodorant. Okay, deodorant, if you don't use deodorant, you basically wasted your time in the shower. So I always love to use the Dove aluminum free deodorant. As a woman, I just like to be like safe than sorry, you know, and you really can't go wrong with Dove. It's so strong. Like, honestly, you can put on deodorant in the morning time or at night and you're good for like a whole entire day. You don't have to keep reapplying it. But like, this is just a really good deodorant. It's a little pricey. It's about $6 or so, but you honestly get your money's worth for this. Like, I've been on this since 2020, the aluminum free, and I have not regretted a day using this. Before 2020, I was using the Dove baby powder, and honestly, if you want a really good smelling baby powder scent, the Dove baby powder deodorant will forever be my go-to. Facial cleansers. Everybody's skin is different, but the cleansers that I'm currently using is, like, in the morning time, I'll use the Ambi cleanser. I used to use this years ago, and it had my skin so clear, so beautiful, and I'm trying to get my skin back to that, honestly. So I'm back to using my Ambi, and it's very inexpensive. Ambi is a very inexpensive skincare line, but it's effective. It works, okay? People sleep on Ambi. I don't hear enough people talking about Ambi, honestly. I love this skincare line, and it's helped me so much in the past, and I know it's going to come through for your girl again. At nighttime, for my first cleanse, I like to use the CeraVe Hydrating Foaming Cleanser. I really like this. You get a lot for your money. It's effective and it works. Again, everyone's different. Use whatever oil cleanser that you want, but I like using oil cleansers because it just pulls that dirt and that gunk completely out of your skin in one swipe, one swoop. Then I go in with the La Roche-Posay Purifying Foaming Cleanser. This is a staple of mine. I've talked about this so much on my channel. You really can't go wrong with this. If you don't have any other cleanser, this one right here is going to get the job done. Like I said, you cannot go wrong with this cleanser, period. It's just an all-around good cleanser. I like to use the Aztec Clay Mask. I've been using this since 2020. I've not gone back. I'll never go back on using this. If I need a good cleanse to my face, to my hair, this is my go-to. Also, I'm acne prone, so if I need to do like a spot treatment or something to a pimple, I'll use the I'm Rice Clay Mask, and it zaps those zits away overnight. Oral hygiene. Of course, you need a good toothbrush. I would suggest switching out your toothbrush every 2 or 3 months, or just when you see your toothbrush getting raggedy, switch it out. Don't hang on to it, okay? And get you a good quality toothpaste. Right now I'm using the Colgate. I love Colgate. I used to use Crest, but honestly, use whatever your money can buy. Just make sure you're brushing your teeth every single day, at least twice a day. All right, I know people say you're supposed to brush after every meal, but let's be real, that is not realistic. Okay, let's be realistic, y'all. Let's be realistic. That's not in everybody's routine to be able to brush after every single meal. But I figure if you brush when you wake up in the morning and brush before you go to bed, that's twice a day, and I feel like that's good enough for anybody's schedule. I like to have a good tongue scraper just to scrape off all that gunk off of my tongue. Of course, have you a good bag of floss picks or just the old school floss, whatever works for you, okay? We're focusing on what works for the individual, okay? And make sure you are using a good mouthwash, okay? You can use TheraBreath, you can use Smart Mouth, you can use the off-brand Equate, you can use Listerine. Whatever works for you, boo. Do what works for you and your budget. We're on to lotions. Okay, I'm just going to show y'all what lotion I'm using this week. I like to rotate my lotions out every week along with my body spray. So after we've taken our shower, washed our face, brushed our teeth, put on the deodorant, now it's time to moisturize your skin. This week I'm using the Johnson & Johnson Baby Lotion. I love this lotion, y'all, and you get so much product for your money. It's moisturizing, it smells good, it just has that classic clean baby scent to it. You really cannot go wrong with this lotion. I don't use this on my baby, I use it on me, okay? And then I go in with a body spray because it's nothing like going to bed smelling good, okay? Not just smelling like whatever bar soap or body wash you used, but smelling a little expensive, smelling a little luxurious, smelling a little sexy. Like, it's nothing like it, okay? So this week I'm using the Victoria's Secret Coconut Milk and Rose, and I have been really enjoying this. This is my first week using this spray, and I absolutely love it, y'all. Like, I'm not a big fan of rose either, but this I'm a fan of this. Like, it smells like a high-end perfume, but it's not. And it's strong and it lasts. I'm like, okay, Victoria's Secret, I see you, girl. Like, for real. I love this. And for me, every week I rotate. One week I'll use like my Victoria's Secret body sprays, and then the next week I'll use my Bath and Body Works. That way I know I am using all of my sprays, and my sprays aren't just on my shelf collecting dust. I'm actually using my stuff, okay? Because it's 2025. These sprays ain't cheap no more. Like, they're cheap, but they ain't cheap. You get what I'm saying? Like, they're no longer like $14, $15 anymore. Like, these sprays are, you know, they about 20 bucks now. So I want to make sure that I'm not just collecting them, but I'm actually actively using them, you know? So I'll go in with that. Also, to make sure I have really soft feet, I love to put on some Vaseline. This has been my go-to, my little staple, my little buddy since my college days. I'll rub this on my feet, put me on some socks, and I'm good to go. Okay, now what's hygiene without having a clean scalp, without having clean hair? I don't know. I don't know what hygiene is without making sure you're taking care of your hair, okay? And as y'all can see, I think I'm not to brag, I think I'm kind of a pro when it comes to taking care of my hair and growing my hair, okay? When it comes to like really clarifying my hair, making sure I'm getting my hair a good deep cleanse, I like to use a good clarifying shampoo at least once a month. And this, I have the Suave shampoo. Honestly, you don't have to break the bank when it comes to a clarifying shampoo, in my opinion. I spent like $1 and some change on this, and it gets the job done, okay? And I use like this much from one wash. It gets the job done, all right? I have 0 complaints. I also like to use a strengthening shampoo throughout the month. And the strengthening shampoo I like to use is the TGIN Miracle Repair Strengthening Shampoo. I really like this shampoo. It does the job. It strengthens the hair, and good strong hair doesn't break off. That way you can retain the length. And of course, I like to use a good moisturizing shampoo. And this is the shampoo I've been using, and I love it. It's not expensive. I like to use the Aussie Miracle Moist Moisturizing Shampoo. You get a lot for your money, and I have the matching conditioner. And then you just style your hair the way you deem fit. But I would suggest those 3 kinds of shampoos. All those shampoos do a different job, and I highly suggest that you incorporate those 3 shampoos throughout your wash days throughout the month. Clarify your hair at least once a month, and then you can go do your thing with the strengthening and the moisturizing shampoo where you feel like your hair needs it, right? There you have it. That is my hygiene routine. What I do to keep myself feeling fresh, being fresh, and me just feeling myself, feeling good about myself, right? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel if you enjoyed what you saw today. Give it a big thumbs up. That way I can know that you want more content just like this. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.